Good afternoon. This is a quick tutorial on how to embellish paper to make writing paper for snail mail. You will need, I took A4 sheets of paper and cut them in half. You'll need ink pads, either one colour if you're only going to do one colour or a couple of colours. You will need stamps. So I've got a text one for the example I'm going to do, and I've got a clock one here for the example I'm going to do. If you don't have ink stamps, quite often in charity shops you can get packs there, that kind of thing. You can often get them in magazines, craft magazines, that kind of thing. They're quite easy to pick up. Okay, so here's an example of what I've done. So here I've got, and this was just using one colour ink, which was black. So I've got a penny farthing and a couple of cogs. I've got from flower stamps, I've got like foxgloves, poppies, not sure, and lily of the valley. I've done a bottom piece here, and this is different leaf stamps in black and brown, put at irregular places. And this is the one I'm going to show you how I made. This is what I'm going to recreate, and this is using gold print with text at the back, and then black for the clock stamp. Okay, really easy, and I think it looks really effective, and it just helps to, you know, jazz up some writing paper rather than just using plain. And also, if you're a crafter and have tons of stamps and hardly ever use them, it's another good thing to do with them. So I've got some lined paper here which I'm just using to press the stamps against so I don't get it all over my desk. And you just need a piece of paper with a straight edge, if that's what you want to use. If you want a more irregular edge, if you want to use crimping shears, so you almost get like an irregular edge there, then why not? That would probably work. So what I do is I take this, and I love this. This is one of my favourite stamps. It's from the Signature Collection by Sarah Davies, and it's just that. Okay, so just doing that. Now you'll see that it's ever so slightly too short, so I can't do it like straight lines. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it slightly at an angle, pressing down. I'm going to lift, and when I lift I hold this piece down so that it doesn't peel up. I'm just going to put a bit more on there, and I'm just going to, so I've got that top bit there. Okay, so now I've got this lovely gold text along there, and it's fine by me that it doesn't go from end to end because I want that kind of irregular look to it. Whoops. And I've just put that in entirely the wrong colour. Oh poo. I'll just quickly remove some of that gold there. And this is an example of why you shouldn't really move this. So there you go, you can learn from my fail as it's happening. Yay me. Okay, so what I wanted to do was then pop the clock in the black. Okay. Now I'm just going to do 3 bits of it here. And there you go. So I remove that and remove that. You get a lovely border at the top of your writing paper. Here's the other one. And it's just, I just think it, if you want to jazz up your writing paper, say you've got loads of white paper or a different colour paper that you want to use up, but want to make it look a little bit more interesting, this is a really easy way to do it. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I hope you use it to make some beautiful writing paper to send to pen pals.